Ableton Live is a digital audio workstation, DAW, used for creating, recording, and performing music. It is especially popular among electronic music producers, DJs, and musicians due to its powerful and intuitive workflow for both studio production and live performances. Ableton Live's session view is unique because it allows for non-linear composition and live improvisation, making it ideal for DJs and performers who want to trigger loops, samples, and effects during live sets. The software also offers a comprehensive set of tools for recording, editing, and arranging music, including a wide range of built-in instruments, effects, and MIDI support. Ableton Live integrates seamlessly with hardware controllers, making it a popular choice for live performances, and it supports a variety of plugins, both native and third-party, for expanding its capabilities. The software's powerful warping engine allows users to manipulate audio in real time, adjusting timing and pitch without altering the quality. Ableton Live is available in 3 versions: Intro, Standard, and Suite, with each offering more advanced features as you move up.